and in this video I'm going to have a go at infusing some black currants. And for this infusion we are going to need some black currants, and I'm pretty sure I've got some in my freezer, so let's go and see if I can dig them out. And yes, I did manage to find a small pot of berries, and here they are. Now I'm looking to use anywhere between 400 to 500 grams of these. So yeah, that should just about be enough. And all I do now is to chuck all the berries into a clean jar, along with 450 ml of a 93% ABV neutral spirit. And I've said this a few times in my videos before, if you don't have a high proof ABV neutral spirit at hand, don't worry, just chuck in 1 litre of a shop bought vodka of 40% ABV and you're going to end up with pretty much the same kind of product anyway. And so the next thing is to bug in around 200 grams of sugar. And this will need whizzing up once a day just to agitate the berries and to help dissolve the sugar. But apart from that, just set it back to one side and leave it to infuse. So infusion time or maceration time is down to really the individual. But I've left this for around 2 weeks now and it has got such a gorgeous colour on it. I'm going to now strain this off. And I do that by the usual technique of just leaving it to run through a piece of muslin. And after leaving it for a while, I did find that I had around 600 ml. And without being too finicky about the ABV of this, I've just taken into account the small displacement of the sugar and the added juice from the berries. So I only need to add around 400 ml of water to this to make 1 litre of my blackcurrant infusion. And if you were using the 1 litre shop bought vodka, there would obviously be no need to add in any water at this stage, but just bear in mind your final product would probably be closer to somewhere around 35% ABV. And here we are at the end of the video, and as per usual I have my final product, the blackcurrant infusion. Look at that beauty there. Haha. Straight into it, no messing. Cheers. Yeah, that really has got a pure blackcurrant flavour to it. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Thank you very much. Right, I'll move this to one side because got another one to try. Woohoo! So this is more blackcurrant at 40% ABV, only this has been macerated for well over a month, almost 5 weeks actually. So that was a 2-week maceration and this is a 5-week maceration. Pretty much same colour, nothing extraordinary there. But anyway, let's give it a go while we're here. Cheers. Yeah, that's about the same. Yeah, very curranty. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Final one. Look at this. Look at this. So this is another blackcurrant, but this one is well over a year old now. Probably about 15-16 months, and there is a, if I can get a better shot there, maybe not, there is a definite colour difference in this one. Oh my word. Cool. Oh. Cheers. That is nice. But the same thing as what I normally find, the fruitiness, the fresh fruitiness has degraded. Yeah, do I prefer the new or the older? These two, maceration time between the two hasn't really affected it whatsoever. The aging from something that's a couple of months old to something that's well over a year old. There is a huge difference there. That's the smell has still got the black currant tang to it, but the taste of it is degraded a bit, and it's almost, now I don't want to say this, but it's almost got a vinegary tinge to it now. Hang on, let me have another go. Wait for it. So, dare I say it, I think I actually prefer the newly made opposed to the year aged blackcurrant infusion. Yeah, and there we have it. Thanks very much for watching, and until next time, make sure you keep on shining.